You are unbelievable.
That's why you love me.
I believe that's my slice.
In your dreams, Blazer Boy.
Far be it from me to stand between a woman and her last slice.
What's the catch, Leo?
No catch. Just faster.
Pretty impressive, right? By now, you've probably seen what VEO 3 is capable of, how it takes a simple prompt and transforms it into stunning, cinematic video. Maybe you've tested it out for fun, tried a few aesthetic clips, or even used it for ad content. But here's the thing. Most people still don't realize what they're holding in their hands. Welcome to AI Pipeline. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create videos with VEO 3 step by step. Whether you're aiming for viral content, visual storytelling, or just experimenting with a new creative tool, this tutorial will walk you through the entire process. You'll learn how to structure effective prompts, how to control your scenes, and how to get the best quality possible out of the tool. Whether you're creating content for YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, TikTok, or even your personal portfolio. The truth is, most creators are barely scratching the surface with VEO. But once you understand how to guide it with intention and creativity, it becomes more than just a cool demo. It becomes a full-blown production tool. So if you're ready to unlock its real potential, hit that subscribe button, give this video a like, and stick around. I'll be sharing more tutorials, prompt ideas, and content strategies every week to help you stay ahead of the curve. Let's get into it. Go to ChatGPT or Gemini and ask it to help you with a good prompt to generate your style of video. You really have to be creative with your prompt. In my case, I gave Google Gemini this prompt. I want to create a funny Hollywood standard short film using VEO 3. The film should consist of 5 scenes, each lasting approximately 8 seconds. Every scene should include distinct camera shots and contain short, punchy dialogue to match the time limit. The physical appearance of the characters must remain consistent across all scenes. Same outfits, facial features, and style. Please ensure the overall tone is lighthearted and cinematic, with a clear sense of humor woven throughout the narrative. The prompt above isn't perfect, but that's okay. It's just for demonstration purposes. The key is to let your creativity lead the way. As you can see, Gemini generated a story that includes character descriptions for consistency, along with scenes and dialogue. However, it didn't include any camera shots this time. I could easily ask it to add those, but for now, I'll leave it as is. Now, let's head over to Google Flow. That's where we'll actually generate our videos. If you don't have access to VEO 3 yet, don't worry. Just check out the video at the top of your screen. You'll learn exactly how to get 90 days of free access to VEO 3. I've saved you the stress of searching. I've dropped all the important links you'll need in the video description below. Simply click the link to head over to the Google Flow website. Once you're on the site, click Create with Flow. Then select Create New Project to get started. After your new project is set up, scroll down to the prompt text box and click on it. That's where you'll type in the prompt that will generate your AI video. When you land on the dashboard, the first place you should go is the text-to-video section. This is where most of your video creation will happen. You can type in a short description or story, and VEO will instantly turn it into a video. If you look closely near the video preview panel, you'll notice an icon that looks like audio or music controls. Click on it, and you'll find a few settings that affect your output. One of them is called Output per Prompt, which allows you to choose how many videos the AI should generate from one prompt. It can go up to 4. However, I recommend selecting just one to save your credits and keep your process clean. Right next to that setting, you'll see a drop-down for model selection. You'll find options like VEO 2 Fast, VEO 2 Quality, VEO 3 Fast, and VEO 3 Quality. Each one has its purpose, but for this tutorial, we'll focus on VEO 3 Fast and VEO 3 Quality. Between the two, I personally prefer VEO 3 Fast. It costs 20 credits per video but comes fully loaded with voice and background audio. That means you don't need to record any voiceovers. It's all built in, saving you time and energy. Now it's time to generate your first scene. Copy your prompt from Gemini, starting with Scene 1, and paste it into the prompt box in Google Flow. Make sure your dialogue is short and direct since VEO 3 currently supports up to 8 seconds of video per scene. You can also tweak camera shots or other visual details depending on your vision. Once you're ready, scroll down and click Generate. At this point, you're probably realizing that what I'm teaching here, completely free, is the same type of content others are charging for. So if you're getting value from this, take a moment to subscribe. Give this video a like, share it with a friend, and drop a quick comment. It helps more than you know. Before we preview your first video, here's a quick heads up. A common issue that many beginners run into is character inconsistency. You might notice your character's appearance slightly changes from one scene to the next. Don't worry, I'll show you how to fix that shortly. But first, let's see what you just created.
I believe that's my slice.
In your dreams, Blazer Boy.
Pretty clean, right? Realistic, cinematic, and professional. That's your first scene done. If you're not satisfied with the result, you can always go back, adjust your prompt, and regenerate the video. Once you're happy with it, click on the download button. Then click on Upscale to enhance the video quality. Wait a few seconds, and then download it to your device. Now we're ready to move on to Scene 2. Go back to Gemini, copy the prompt for your next scene, and return to your original video project in Google Flow. Click on Reuse Prompt. Inside the prompt, find the section that contains Scene 1 and simply replace it with Scene 2. Leave everything else exactly the same. This ensures that your character, environment, and style remain consistent across all scenes. Repeat this same method for each new scene in your script. Paste, replace, and generate. Once you've completed all the scenes, you'll have a full short film built scene by scene with consistent storytelling and visual style. As a final tip, don't hesitate to experiment with different camera angles, compositions, and motion. Try out new things, zoom-ins, pans, wide shots, until it feels right for your story. Now that you've generated all your clips, the next step is to bring everything together into one seamless video. Open CapCut, start a new project, and import all the scenes you created with VEO 3. Inside the editor, arrange your clips in the correct order. Trim any parts that feel too long or off-pace, and add clean transitions to make the flow feel natural. if needed. You can also enhance your video with sound effects, background music, or text overlays to give it that final professional touch. This is where your video truly comes to life, as a complete, polished piece that's ready for social media, YouTube, or business promotions. Once everything looks just the way you want it, click Export. Choose your preferred resolution. 1080p is ideal for high-quality results, and CapCut will render your full video into one clean, finished file, ready to download or share anywhere you like. If this opened your eyes to what's possible with VEO 3, trust me, this is just the beginning. I'm dropping more tutorials, prompt strategies, and creative hacks every week to help you turn AI filmmaking into a full-blown content business. So if you're serious about building something big with this tool, hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and join the early wave of creators leading the future of storytelling. Your next viral video could start right here.